You want to start by taking one of the leaves and just put a little bit of glue towards the bottom, and you're going to take your wire and pinch it over the top. You want to pinch it so that you can't see the wire poke through the top of your leaf. You'll notice here I got a little bit of extra glue hanging out. That's okay. The trick with that is let it dry and then just take your scissors and cut it. Then you're going to take another leaf, add a little bit of glue to the bottom, and we're going to pinch it pretty close to that leaf we just put on. You want to pinch it out to the side of the wire, and then we're going to take another leaf and pinch it to the side of the wire at about the same distance down as that second leaf you just put on. So the two leaves that are pointing out to the sides should be about the same distance down. And then you're going to follow the same pattern all the way down. You can make this as tall and as large as you want. You could also do this with other shapes or larger shaped leaf petals if you want. It's as simple as that.